If you are in search of extract attachments from Outlook on a Mac device, let's start the video. Go to Google and enter SysTools Mac Outlook Attachment Extractor. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Click on the download button. Now, install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. This tool provides a few options, shown on your system screen, and select the desired one. Here user receives two options, to import Outlook, and OLK files manually and automatically. I am moving with Auto-Locate Mac Outlook 2019-2016 and Office 365 profiles, then click on the Next button. Data scanning, here on the next step. On the left side of the panel, users can select and deselect the folder to export. On the parallel side of the panel, there is a Select option and Filters. Now in the Folder option, below down there are 4 options, such as Maintain Folder Hierarchy, Create a Single Folder Only, No Folder Hierarchy, and Create a Folder for each file type. Select any option from a few of them. Moving to the next tab, Naming Convention. Make a check mark on Create a Folder for Attachments. Then click on the Advanced Filters button. Advanced panel open. There is only General Settings tab. This provides 3 more filter options, such as categories. These options provide few options to export, such as mails, calendars, and contacts. Move to Date filter. This option helps to filter the data according to the specific date range. Now to the last tab, Attachment File Type and Size filter. File size. This option extracts data according to the selected file size, and file type. This option helps you to export the data, with specific file types, to be included or excluded from the resultant file. Here users have done with all filter. Click on the Save button. In the Select Destination path, click on the Change button, to save the location of the resultant file. Here panel open. Select the folder and click on the Save buttons. Now user has saved the location. Now click on the Export button, for the final step. Here data start exporting. Now an alert comes up, the extract process was completed successfully. Click on the OK button. Here are the results.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.